found out about it on Facebook. It was not told to him. And I'm not disparaging them because that was their choice. And I want them to also be happy and peaceful, because when there's peace and happiness in the other side, there's peace and happiness in your home. Pero, yun lang. Nasaktan ako kasi my son deserved to find out na sana diniretso sa kanya. Financially, hindi ko naman inuobliga eh.
Yes.
And that's not a problem. Hindi ko sinusumbat yon. Pero siguro yung honesty na lang. And the effort. I admit there was a time talaga that I built a wall. Kasi we went through so much hell, separating, annulling, TPO, BPO, lahat niyan. Pinagdaanan namin custody and lahat. Pero it takes two. And I think I have done more than my share in trying to be the mature one. Because, heck, I'm more than 10 years older, so dapat lang. Pero at the stage din naman of the life of the father, it's time to also man up. At sinabi ko lang sa kanya na, Bim, this is an issue. Your dad is public. We are public. So how do we deal with this? And then sinabi ko, the way my son is taking it is really good, because I was prepared for him to say, wag na, no mom. But he said, yeah, I'd like to meet him. I'll be honest, bumiyahe kami dahil dinaining ko when I knew nung research ko online kung kailan yung due date, because I wanted to spare my son that. Nagkamali ako 2 weeks after. So, nasayang yung biyahe.
So, I'm willing to fall in love again. Are you still looking for Mr. Right?
I'm getting to know people once. Siguro that's also the privilege of not having been working 7 days a week every day. So yes, I've been meeting new people.
Wow, na-excite sila.
And they don't plural.